Thank you for taking the time out every day to stop back at my channel. Alright, so today's going to be another quick and easy video for you guys. I am using my Ninja Foodi here. What I am making in here is a pot roast, a chuck roast actually. This is 2.5 pounds, I think, not even 2.5 pounds. This is covered in butter. So what you do is you melt I melt almost a whole stick of butter, not quite a whole stick, and then I add the herbs de Provence in here, and then I have some black pepper, and then garlic. And once I mix that all together, I add salt to the top of my chuck roast. So I'm gonna make this like a prime rib, sort of. I've done this once already with a 4-pound roast. It turned out really good. I'm just gonna do everything in half of what I did before. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your Foodi, your Ninja Foodi, on air crisp here, and then you put it up to 400, and then because this is only 2 pounds, I'm going to do 11 minutes on that air crisp, and then I will show you what we do once we get the air crisp done. Okay, so I'll be right back to show you that. Okay guys, so we're back. This is now cooked for that 11 minutes, so let's open it up. And ooh, that's what it looks like. It's all nice and crisp on the top. Look at all the butter on the bottom, and it mixed with the juices. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over, and then I'm going to put it on bake, on the bake button. So for this step, you're going to take your Ninja Foodi, you are going to hit the bake button, you're going to hit the temperature. Oh, you're going to hit bake. Make sure you hit bake. See how it's 375? I want to change that to 350, and then my timer over here, it's on 15 minutes, so I am going to just turn this to about 20. I'm going to do 22 minutes and check it after that. Okay, now I hit start, and we'll see you after this step. And so for like a side dish, Stefano and I usually like to have the grilled romaine, but tonight I don't feel like having grilled. So this is just a half a head of romaine lettuce, just cut right down the middle. And then I usually make my own blue cheese dressing, but I didn't feel like it. This was actually on sale. So this is the Marie's chunky blue cheese. And then I like to add extra blue cheese because I love a lot of blue cheese. But this is a crumbled gorgonzola cheese. This we get from BJ's. I don't know if you have one, but that's where we get ours. This is amazing. I love this. I put it on everything. And then I did a half a tablespoon of the real bacon. And I get this from Walmart. It's nothing special. It's just, you know, real bacon. And I put some pepper on it. And then I just cut red onion really, really thin. Just one little ring of it. And that's what I have there. So you will see everything completed once my dinner is done. We still have 6 minutes. And then not only 6 minutes, but then it has to rest for 10 minutes. Alright guys, I will show you everything completed. Let this sit. This has sat now for 10 minutes. Looking really good. Looking like all the butter is all over the place. So Stefano will be cutting this up in just a minute, and I'll show you that. Ooh. Now that looks really good. Is that too rare?
Oh, it's perfect.
That's perfect. Okay. So Stefano just cut that baby right in half. It had a rope around it, just keeping it all together, but this is perfect for us. I love it nice and rare. I don't know about you guys. You can do it bump it up 10 extra minutes, whatever you have to do. But yep, we love ours very rare. So this is perfect for us. You could let it sit another couple minutes, or even let it sit 20 minutes if you want it not so rare, but I really like it this way. So guys, that is my simple, easy pot roast in the Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, share, like, put in your playlist, just to help me get noticed by YouTube. Alright guys, thank you. Bye!